What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. So today's video is gonna be of the new Morphe X Manny Mua the Glam palette. So this is what it looks like. It just came out today, so I'm gonna try to speed through this so I can get it online. Today December 5th, and I just went to the Morphe store, got out of school, went straight to the Morphe store, picked it up, and it's only $20. So I definitely recommend either getting it online or going into a Morphe store if you have one near you. And this is what the palette looks like. There is a brush set, and I think it's like $49. It comes with 8 brushes. I don't need another brush set. I got tons of brushes here, and I did see, like, out of the, I think 9 or 8 brushes that are included, I think I'll put a picture of the brush set. I think I have 3 of them, so I'm good with that. It's all good. So this is the I guess the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It has Manny's picture in the back, and it gives a little, you know, talk. So this is what she looks like. So it comes with 14 shades total. 2 shades are gonna be highlighters, and then the other 12 are going to be actual eyeshadow. So that's pretty nice. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte shades, and then 4 shimmers, and then the 2 highlights. So first, I think, well, I already did everything except for putting on, I think, well, I put like a little bit of blush on, but blush, which that's one of the brushes that he uses. This little Morphe E4, so you do sort of something like that. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go ahead and start. See if you can wrap it around. Yeah, wrap it around. This is the palette. So yeah, we are going to start. I really want to try this Aries shade because I'm an Aries too, just like him and his mother. So maybe I'll use Aries, Jamenta, Spellbound, Howl. So we'll see. So first, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna dip into one of these we'll dip into Dust Cloud, and I'm taking it on an M507 brush, and it just sort of gonna start putting that all over. I like to use a smaller brush because I don't have a lot of lid space, so I definitely use sort of a smaller brush to get things started. So that is going to be Dust Cloud. First shade, Dust Cloud, done. So then, you can't really tell, there's not too much difference between Dust Cloud and that one, because that one is pretty close to my, I guess, concealer shade. So the next shade I'm gonna take is gonna be Sophie, and I'm taking it on a M433. That's one of the brushes that is included in his little brush set. So if you do get the brush set, you'll get one of these brushes. I think I have like 2 or 3 of them, so didn't really think I needed another one. And I'm just sort of placing that one like right in like where my crease goes, and then just sort of blending it just so that because I have hooded eyes, so I just like to just sort of blend it up just a little bit over where my sorta crease is, and then I just, yeah, so then it looks a little bit different than the other eye. And this is like such a good, what is it, soft glam, the thing that's in right now. Everyone wants to do soft glam, so it's really nice soft glam little palette. Next shade I think we're gonna go into is gonna be, I'm gonna go into Howl. I'm gonna take this, what is this? Oh, it doesn't even have it. Oh, right here. This is one of the Morphe like Pride collection brushes. This is the M431, and I'm just gonna start tapping it here, because I don't need a whole lot of shadow everywhere. And I'm just sort of making it like a, what is it, like a V shape, and then just bringing it this way. And this was blending up pretty nicely right there with the other shade, with Sophie, so it looks good. And then I can go back in with Sophie. I don't really put anything on it, and then just sort of do that. That's that one. You could totally do this, just leave this if you wanted to, just sort of blend this a little bit more. use like the lighter shade, and there you go. That could be your look for the whole entire day. Put some lashes on, or just, what is it? Put some, what is that called? Mascara on, and you could be like, I'm ready for the day. Just gonna take this brush. What is this? This is another Pride one. This is the M167 brush. Just gonna tap it onto some concealer. Best way to do this is just put a glob on your hand, just in case you need to go back in with more. And just tapping that in there. Take the palette one more time and I just have to look up for my little eyes. Just sort of like that. Okay, we're gonna set that there. Oh, I need this. And then we're gonna go into, I want to do Cancer. I'm gonna go into Cancer. Just take this, what is this? The JS11 brush. And I'm just gonna tap it into Cancer, which is this pink one. And we're just gonna tap her right in the middle. Maybe we can do, it'll do better if I use my finger. Yeah, let's see. Can go with my finger. Not doing too much. Gonna just take some setting spray, spray the brush, then tap right in. Spray just a little bit more. Now it's looking better. Okay, I'm gonna take a sort of a smaller one, this one, just sort of tap into it. Oh. And use it to fine tune that crease basically. Okay, and then I want to take some of that airy shade. Gonna take another like sort of flat brush, put that on there, and then just sort of tap it in with that other shade. Oop, there's just a little bit of fallout. Let me just see. And then I'm tapping this into that other shade, to the Cancer shade. So Aries and Cancer. Becoming one. Take some more Cancer. So it gives it more of a little wet look. I'm gonna take Howl, the dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna sort of, sorry, you probably can't see that, just slightly jam it in my eye. Make it like that. Letting it sort of open the eye up. Then I'm gonna go into Sophie, and I'm just gonna use that to sort of like blend that out just a little bit. And then use Dust Cloud. Just to make it seem just a little bit open there, and then just use this like a brow bone color, just so that it lightens her up a little bit. And then I want to take this Fire Witch shade and tap it onto my blush brush and just use it as a blush. So Fire Witch can make a pretty little blush shade. So that is basically the one eye. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Put on lashes. We'll come back. We'll do some highlight, and that'll be it. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, and we're back. So this is both eyes complete. The sort of, you know, purple to like the, what is it? The Cancer to the Aries shade, and then the dark brown throughout. And then just some lashes. I did put on, what are they? These little lashes in San Diego. These are one of the premium synthetic ones in San Diego, because that's where Manny is from and that's where I live. Come on, San Diego. Ooh, it's already getting dirty. So overall, I really do like this palette. I like how it's like different, like Manny said, that it's not, you know, the same thing like how everyone else has basically done theirs. Like James is all matte black, and then Jeffrey's is just pink. So it's nice to see a little bit different with like sort of a design on it. We are going to go ahead and put the highlighter on. So I'm going to do both highlights. I'm going to do Nova, and I'm just taking this one on, what is this? An R36 brush, just sort of just doing this. I'm going to spray just a little bit of Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose whatever water. And we're just going to put, what is this one? Nova. Nova on this side. So that's like the sort of the pinky, sort of pink champagne sort of look. So that is Nova. And then just sort of just tap it up there just a little bit. Okay, so that is one of the highlights. Then I'm going to take, this is the M501. This is another highlight brush. Just going to spray just a little bit more and go into Apollo, the top one. This one's more of like a, what is it, champagne color, like a regular like champagne color. And we're just gonna put this one over here to see how this one looks. So then this one is Nova, sort of like the pinker one, and then this one is, what does it say? Apollo, sorry. And then just a little bit there. Tap into just a little bit more. And then switch brushes, go back into Nova. Let's sort of do this. Oh, sorry. Do this side. Right there. And then take this one. Go there. I don't really know. I kind of like both of them. So I'm just going to take, just like barely tap a little bit. What is this one? Nova. And just like slightly like do my nose. Then do the same with Apollo. And then Cupid's bow. And that, I like both of them. Let's see. Let's do their little, what is it, swatches. They're definitely very different. Well, you can't really tell. So this one is going to be, what is it, Nova, and then this one's Apollo. So it's like the pink and then the gold. So overall, I really do like them. I think I like both of them. So they're really nice. And I definitely like Manny's highlighter, his one that he has created with his own brand. But these ones are really nice. They look pretty, ooh, that's what they look like. And yeah, overall, I think, I don't really know if you can say this is a review. I like the shades. The only thing that I would say, like, is just, like this, the Howl shade. Like, it was a little bit patchy. Like, you can see a little bit of the patchiness of it there. But other than that, I really liked it. Fire Witch was, like, a nice sort of little blush shade, like that one. And yeah, Aries, and it's, like, a little duochrome purpley blue shade. And overall, I liked it. And 20 bucks, why not? It's doing like a good cause. Like Manny said, he's gonna donate some of the money to, not sure exactly what the cause was, but it's like, come on, that's really cool. And then he did his first, well, not his first, like his first collab with Morphe. So that's really cool. Yeah. Oh, and then I guess just this add on, just what's on my lips is gonna be the Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick, and this one is into Daydream. So it's like a nice, like subtle, like. And yeah, so go ahead, follow, do whatever. I'll put the link to the Morphe website down below. Yeah, when I'll see you guys. Oh, that looks a little bit weird. I don't normally do my hair like this. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.